There she is, guys. The little garden gnome.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, guys. Oh, Dimples here, Han. Naka-robe kami ni Tommy, guys, kasi it's 45 degrees sa labas. Parang... No, it's cold. I just opened the blind. Sus, ginoo ko ang ginaw. Para na ding balik, ano tayo pa fall or spring or winter feel. Ang ginaw. Tinitignan ko yung mga vegetable ko kung na-survive ba sila. Where are they? Let them in, please.
It's getting a little,
Snippy. No, it's cold. Halaman ko dun, buti na lang okay. Pero itong si Anthurium, guys, ito siya. Kailangan ko siyang transfer sa ibang container. Kasi siya, namamatay talaga siya. Buti na lang hindi ko to nilabas. Andito pa rin sa loob, oh. Hindi yan makasurvive. Pero yung tomato ko, kasi sobrang ginaw sa labas, na-shock yung older leaves. Na-shock siya, ganun. The tomato, the older leaves, like this. Ay! Oh, baby. Oh, Michi ka, Michi. Oh. Come and give it to Mama, Roxy. Come and give it. Misty token. Hala, Roxy, you took Roxy. Oy, kanina kumain kami. Look, iniwan niya. So, yun, ito siya. Kasi, sabi niya, alis ako manigarilyo. Paano ako makasigarilyo nito? Tignan niyo. Iniwan niya. Sabi niya, walang mag-ukay. Wala daw mag-mix. So, ngayon, hinanap niya yung machine niya. Tignan niyo. Nasa gitna lang yung Sa gilid, wala. Kaloka ito ni Tami. Kaloka naman ito. May paano pa si Mister. Hinahanap kaya pala, sabi niya, saan na yun? Saan na yun? Magagawa daw siya ng sauce. Ito yung mga gagawin niya. Sauce, ito, just tomato, ito. And ito yung niluto niya long time ago. Nilagay niya sa freezer. Sausage, and then meatballs. Yun, gagawa siya ng sauce para daw sa pasta niya. Naka-sweater ako kasi maginaw. And lalabas ako, guys, dahil walang araw. Maginaw sa labas. Dahil walang araw, maganda ngayon mag-dig. Ay, akala ko sardinas. Kaluka. Ay, tomato paste pala. Kakain tayo. Mag-start lang ako and then babalik ako dito para kakain ng lunch. 11, 10:57 na pa man ng umaga. So, maaga pa. And ito, century tuna yung kainin natin. Mag-fry sana ako ng dried fish, kaso unahin ko muna yung sa labas. You're just a smoker.
keep the garlic from burning.
Shake your booty, shake your booty. Shake your booty.
There she is, guys. The little garden gnome. What am I talking? You're watering. Not really exciting. That's as high pressure as you get? Seems like the pressure is too low. Seems like the pressure is very low.
Because all the water is coming out. It's stronger now here, huh?
Yeah, because the hole's worse. You're gonna just get rid of that hose and use the other hose. You can't fix it, hon. It's leaking inside. You stop it there, it'll just come out somewhere else. Let's see what our puppies are doing. Puppies. Puppy, puppy. What you doing, puppy, puppy? Hey, big girl. Oh, now the monkey's coming because she says, if you're getting pet, I'm getting pet too. None of this. None of this all about Roxy stuff. Don't put your nose on the lens. My wife added more garden space. You know, we can go up to the rental place and rent a rototiller. You know that, right? Here's you guys. You can't stay in one place. Yeah. How many bags you got left? One.
There's one inside.
So you got none for the back there. Okay.
Even here, this is not enough.
Right.
So this is what happened.
Shit, way too many.
Huh?
We did way more than 20.
More than 20?
Yeah.
It's your fault. It's Tom's fault. Let me go film. Ito na siya lahat. And meron doon. Hindi ko kinuha yung ano. Damo. Iwan ko kung kunin ko pa ba yung damo. Or let her out. Iwan ko kung kunin ko pa ba yung damo or lagyan ko na lang siya diretso ng ano, cover at saka lupa. Dito ko ilagay yung cucumber. Yun. Masaya yung tomato ko, guys. Oh. Ang saya nila. Ayan, sana magbunga ito eh. Diba? Dagdagan ko pa sila ng lupa. Look. Dito yung talong ko dito ilagay. Talong at saka atsal. Lumaki na sila. Pwede nang masalad. Anyway, so lumaki na yung garden natin. Lumaki na siya. And meron pang pa-extra doon. Tapos na ako muna sa labas. Wala na kasing lupa. Nagreklamo na itong isa. Dami na daw lupa. Pero okay naman sa kanya. Wala naman siyang ano. Kailangan ako ng lupa. Additional doon at saka para doon sa kabila. Habang ako nandun sa labas, siya naman nagluluto ng sauce. Pinabayaan lang niya dito yung sauce para naman masarap yung sauce. Habang tumatagal, sumasarap kasi. Hello guys! So, kakain lang kami ng dinner. Yung niluto ni Tami na sauce. And then, nagluto din kami ng pasta. And, gulay na niluto ko. Yan lang yung dinner namin. May meatballs at saka sausage na dyan. Diba, Han? Put up. Italian put always cheese. They put cheese in their pasta. Why? Because cheese is fatty and good. I don't have sausage. The whole morning, Han, you've been wearing that robe. It's been cold, guys. Anyway, guys, we're going to end the vlog. Dito lang tayo, 9 o'clock na, 9 something. And thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe and like if you haven't yet. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.
Hey guys.
Night-night daw, pero andun pa siya, oh. Hi, nakakamiss yung Pilipinas. Yung parang mag-ano ka ba? Hindi pa natutulog, ganitong oras, magkantahan, gitar-gitaran, magigitar, kasama mga kaibigan. Napagod din ako guys sa kag-garden. Parang wala nang katapusan, pero ending. Pero katapusan ko na to sa yun na yung garden ko. Hindi na ako mag-add. Yung na-add ko na plat, na bed, doon sa pinaka-last. Lagyan na magbibili kami ni Tami bukas ng suwel. And lagyan namin ng suwel. And then yun na, wala na. Kung ano man yung matira na mga seedling, iano na lang natin, ipaplant-plant sa container. Yun na lang yun siya. And then, kung wala nang space talaga, pabayaan na lang siya dyan. Ayaw ko na mag-add. Gasto talaga. Ang pinakagasto talaga is yung soil. And, at saka, nakakapagod din siya. And yung soil ang mahal. Na malaki na yung gasto namin sa soil. Pero next year, for sure, hindi na yan gagasto pa ng soil. Ang gagastuhin na lang is yung marami naman akong seedling. So, wala nang gastuhin, di ba? So, yun siya, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye. Good night, guys.